2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's probably the same for a 05 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. These push up, they pop off all the way, just slide them back in, but they pull up and then you pinch in to get these off the injectors. And there's 10 bolts. They're all 8mm on the manifold. These ones on the passenger side here are really hard to get to, and maybe that back one on the other side there. And then, yeah, change the hose clamps, and this is like the only way to get to it. There's just not enough room. Barely see them, and I got it already loose. I might have to take this EGR off, but got the whole manifold loose. I'm having to undo this EGR tubing. It's right there. Those are 8mm also. I got all the injectors unhooked. The sensor plug, or throttle body plug right there. I got the intake manifold off. I think it's going to take a special tool, even with this clip off here, to get that fuel line off, the fuel line tool. But there's the hose clamp, and with the frickin' sticks in the way, and with the manifold out of the way, it's like still hard to get to these. But I don't see a T. It's like it's just two straight lines. One goes to that side off of the heat riser, one goes to this side. And that's just a bracket holding that tube on there. On the back there, that tube with the riser for the clamp. That's just a bracket, welded the tube hole on. But there's the hoses. Comes up, goes over. And there's the two risers. 1, 2, with the clamp. This is the only way to get to it, I think. I couldn't get to it without removing the intake manifold. But it's 10, 5 on each side, 8mm. I'd take the two 8mm EGR tube hoses off, take that off to get it out, and a few clamps off the injectors, and one off of this throttle body here. And sorry, got it out of the way.